What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Big Mike.
Show them your ears. What's going on, you guys? Merry Christmas from the Marks. I'm dropping this on New Year's Eve.
Oh, cool.
Oh, Christmas Eve. I'm dropping this on Christmas Eve. So if you're watching this and it's Christmas Eve,
Happy Christmas!
happy freaking Christmas. This is Merry Christmas with the Marks. Mary called it, I don't know.
Ho, ho, ho.
You guys, I'm so excited that I feel like I'm going to throw up and, just give me a second. I am doing something so cool on this episode. So, two things. One, I'm gonna show you guys kind of some of the pre-Christmas stuff that the Mark family does. I'm gonna show you guys us decorating our house. You're gonna
show you guys a calendar that she fucking ate all my chocolates from.
I did eat all this chocolate. Well, tell them about that later. I said sorry. Okay, so you're gonna see the Christmas shit. You're gonna see all the Christmas shit. And then this is the part that I'm so excited about. We always do an annual gingerbread house making party. And I decided to do a ginger mansion. And you guys, I went all out. I'm not gonna tell you everything, but this thing is gonna be like nothing you've ever seen before. But there's a trick. If you wanna see the ginger mansion, you have to wait until the end of the episode. And is it gonna be worth it, babe?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
He saw you guys.
Oh.
When I did.
Is it gonna be fucking worth it?
Is it gonna be worth
Christmas. We are. Look at I'm wearing a ginger.
Brittany's been drinking again.
So guys, it's gonna be an epic episode. I freaking love Christmas. You love Christmas. We all love Christmas. And now, welcome to Merry Christmas with the Mother Truck and Marks. And I promise you're not gonna be disappointed. Raise your hand if you're okay with being on this family vlog. Okay, I'm doing some B-roll of your guys.
You're not wearing this shirt.
Daniel, who do you think mom should be for the heroes and villains party?
Well, Brian made a good comment. Professor Snape would be perfect. Not Professor Snape looks like a woman.
And so do you think mom looks like Professor Snape?
I said I was going to go as Voldemort, so they should just do a Harry Potter theme for the family.
No, you should go some little Weedly, like Ron Weasley.
Yeah,
you
you
look like
should-
a Weasley.
Do I?
Are you trying to, was that supposed to be like a bird?
Size of Ron Weasley, first
It's
of
like a
all.
little Weasley.
Second of all, I'm not a redhead. You look actually look like you look like a dude.
It's called
You
a
look like a
wig.
dude.
You look like a dude.
What the? Dude, look a lady.
This is my beautiful, beautiful, beautiful sister. I was about to say Ashley Mark, because it's weird that we're not. Take them and tell them something about who you are.
Oh God, I'm not good at this.
She's not a professional vlogger, so just bear with her. Tell them stuff. You got this.
I don't know what to tell the. I feel really awkward right now. What?
Bring it over here.
Okay, come here. You have to show them this. Show them this. Show them.
Okay, what am I showing them?
Show them this.
What is his name again?
Voldemort.
Snake.
No, it's Snake. Let me see it.
He's here.
Feel about being, what is his name?
Professor Snape. I'm not being Professor Snape.
Who are you gonna be? Dad, who are you gonna be for the party? We got Brussels sprouts. Dad, are you gonna be a Brussels sprout for the New Year's party?
You have to be a hero or a zero.
Yeah.
Okay, what are you gonna be then?
I don't know, mom's looking after it.
You look pretty good as a reindeer. You could be Santa and his little reindeers.
It's gonna be exciting.
I'm gonna dress up as your mother.
That's my hero. You're not beautiful enough to ever.
That was, okay. That was what he just said was nice. Did you already said, I'm gonna dress up as your mother because she's my hero. And then you, no, that's what he said. And then
Yes, you were.
you said you could never be beautiful enough to be me.
You asked, I literally said that.
Okay, can you guys see what this says? Can you see it? Or no?
What does it say? Something.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year!
Merry Fitness.
Oh, Merry Fitness! Merry Fitness and a Happy New Year! From the big from the bee boo ba ba a boo bibbity bobbity bibbity boo.
So I have absolutely zero skills when it comes to
Stop.
putting together
Fix your ears.
I have zero skills when it comes to putting together housework, so whenever Aaron's over here, I bribe him with alcohol to fix his stuff. Look, Aaron, you fixed it. What happened?
Oh! How did you fix it?
I'm sorry.
Just turned it on. How does that make you feel?
No, honestly, he sat there for 15 minutes trying to figure it out, and I'm like, I would have given up like 2 minutes into this, so I appreciate it.
He's right. It's a bit of a bitch.
It's a bit of a little bitch.
I would not have done it.
All right, so this is, do you guys care if you're on the YouTube? Jay, do you want to be on the YouTube? So this is Jay, and his name is Jay, and this is Sierra. And they are helping us design the inside of our home. So this is our new rug. And I'm gonna show you the cool little wreath we got. What are you doing right now?
I'm about to shotgun a drink for TikTok because I feel like that's just something.
You do know that this is a family event?
Yeah.
Okay.
I only had one.
Let her rip. So what is your guys' favorite part about Christmas?
I like how much time like you get to like you get to spend a lot of time on Christmas, but there's so many things you can do during the Christmas holidays. Like
2 hours later.
you can have so many reasons to get together with your family and like so many different things to do.
I agree. Amen, sister. Okay, Mom, who's your favorite child?
I don't have a favorite.
Okay, Ashley, who do you think Mom's favorite child is?
I
Yeah.
know who my favorite parent is.
Oh, you always
Snapper.
No.
Daddy, you gonna go save her?
Don't, Daniel, don't do it. Don't fucking do it.
Oh my. That is going on the vlog. He just farted.
Wow.
It did, yeah, it looks so good. Ooh. Haley, that looks awesome. Then we just keep plugging it.
Yeah.
Nice work, hey babe.
So cool.
So we are on our way to Christmas decorating number 2, which is at my mother's place. I almost forgot my freaking camera, so I had to make Brian turn around and come and get it because I was committed to vlogging both Christmas decorating parties. Yesterday we decorated our place, and today we're decorating my mother and father's place.
See, you look happy. You're on camera.
I don't want to be on
He
camera.
goes, you're happy. Dean, of course you want to be on. Dean.
The thing I always do at my mom's house is I go through the fridge. Oh, you guys, there's little sugar cookies.
No, those are for dessert.
What is this? A nice,
But Kirsten, I'm dishing up food in like half
a nice
an
little
hour.
pasta salad.
There's tons of food. Kirsten,
Oh my God, I'm so hungry.
The top of the hill, and I was
Haley,
why don't you couch arriving there, Kirsten?
40s, 50, and I looked up
are you having fun?
the walk, and I tried to
Ow!
swerve out of the way.
Yes.
Like, oh my God, I don't really know. Is that your guy?
You're doing what?
Okay, I'm gonna do it.
But I just put the forks in these nice little sand
Does it
holders.
need heating up or anything?
Daniel, are you having fun? Daniel, did you have a good time tonight? Daniel, on a scale of 1 to 10, how was tonight?
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Hey Daniel, I was gonna tell you, you kind of smell like a piece of shit tonight.
Come on! Yeah, I know
no
I'm
one's
going to.
on.
Like, but how do I get back to like a press the menu? It won't go
So
back,
pretty. Actually, in the meanwhile, show everybody your shirt.
right? Merry Christmas, bitches.
I love how like wholeheartedly you said that. Merry Christmas, bitches. Have the best one of your life. Oh,
That was it.
you just said.
I couldn't do.
Who drew the wee wee?
There's nobody here, Fluff. Come here.
Mr. Fluffy Pants.
Are you satisfied with the way your house looks decorated?
Yes, it looks amazing.
What's your favorite part?
What's What's my favorite part? The tree.
That was just super genuine. Dad, what's your favorite part of your newly decorated house?
The tree.
Okay. Mine are the stockings that say, one that says CY. Who is that? Dad, did you cheap out on Mom's stocking?
No, I bought her a good stocking.
No, my letters fell off.
Vandalized.
She just didn't take care of it.
No, the one I got you, your letters are still on because they're embroidered.
Do you not appreciate the gift that Dad bought you?
I think he's a bit cheap at times.
So she thinks you're a bit cheap at times, Dad. How do you feel about that?
Not at all. I'm very generous with my wife.
So he thinks he's generous. How do you feel about that?
Careful, and I'm not saying that's a bad thing, but Pops is careful.
We like to match.
This is looking.
We need to work on our fucking yoga skills. Okay, we're gonna get a picture now, but I wanted to show you guys. It says Merry Christmas, biatches. And this is my cute little minion. Say hi, little minion.
One eternity later.
He's doing last night.
I don't know, but him and the pups are like,
Oh no, he's awake. He's awake. He's petting the dog.
him and go, oh, look him and Gracie.
Sick of you guys' shenanigans.
Well, Aaron and I
Do you usually sleep like that, smushing your face?
Yeah.
Alright guys, if you don't think you should be excited about the Gingerbread Mansion that's going to be dropped at the end of this episode, Haley, tell them. How much did I invest into the Ginger Mansion on the old credit card?
$218. $218.32.
And is it gonna be amazing?
Yeah!
And do you love your mom?
Yeah!
Did I pay you to say this?
No!
Under the mistletoe, ooh, ooh, shoddy with you, ooh, 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 shoddy with you, ooh, ooh, under the mistletoe. Woo! Crowd goes wild. Encore, encore. No, guys, sorry, we're busy making ginger mansions. Get out.
No,
Get out.
There's a hole. There's a big hole.
What the hell? What the hell?
Oh, yeah,
There's a hole.
Rip in there. Yeah. Or it came with the hole? It came.
Oh my.
Oh, he's not the one with the
Babe, your turn.
Not a chance.
There's two more.
Hey, give him a sweater to just cover the jump so he can sweat right now.
Oh my god. We have to wait for Patty and Brendan. We need to wait for. Open it. We need to wait.
How do you open this, guys?
What are you?
Podcast is starting. You're gonna waste your time.
The fuck? Arden!
If we don't fucking start, I'm gonna fucking start.
This has a hole in the front.
I told you they all have holes in the crotch. Oh god.
Baby, how do you feel about the mansion?
Dude, I'm so excited. Yeah, baby, can't wait. Oh god, I tore my finger.
Okay, sorry.
Alright, you guys, so our ginger mansion turned out, wait, look at this, disgusting. It turned out way better than we could have ever suspected. So the big reveal, the big tour of the gingerbread mansion is gonna be in like literally 3, 2, welcome to the ginger mansion. If this doesn't get 1 million views, I'll fucking punch somebody, okay? This is a
stripper bear.
Stripper bear. I'm gonna give you guys the grand tour. So I decided not to make a ginger house, but a ginger mansion. This was my partner in crime. So at the front door, it is us, the people that made the ginger mansion. That is me. That's Kirsten. That is Hanram as a princess. And there's our precious sacred tree.
Yes, we do prayers by the
We do prayers by the tree.
every night.
This is our pool and this is our stripper. Patty and Brian are okay with it because it's a bear and they
It's a
think
bear.
that he is ugly.
It's a bear that identifies as a bear.
But when he takes it off, we like what we see.
He's covering the goods.
Yes, he's covering.
Nips and stuff.
We got
That's what he's doing. He's like, baby.
money all over the house, you guys, because that's what mansions are made of, money. And behind the house, you guys, we got a little bit lazy, so all we did was put more money.
They have so much money.
Loonies and toonies.
Loonies and toonies.
This is part of the foundation of the house.
This is so cool, you guys. This was everything I ever wanted. You guys, so basically what we did is we put 2 houses and then a backwards house and then a house on top of the backwards house. There is a little frog in the moat. He's just swimming. He's gonna turn into a prince. Say thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Have a Merry Christmas. Thank you for tuning in to today's YouTube. I hope you liked the Gingerbread Mansion as much as I enjoyed making it. Haley, say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Have the best Christmas of your entire life.
What do you mean? It's